If Earth restoration had a starting point, it would be the tropics. No region on the planet moves energy, water, and carbon faster. Sunlight is constant, rainfall is abundant, biological growth is explosive, but tropical soils are fragile. Most carbon is not stored underground. It is stored above ground in living biomass. That is why deforestation in the tropics causes rapid collapse. Once canopy is removed, rain strips nutrients away, soil compacts, and recovery slows dramatically. The solution is not single crop planting. The solution is layered canopy systems. Tall trees create shade and rainfall stability. Mid-level trees fix nitrogen and produce food. Understory plants protect soil and retain moisture. This structure mimics natural rainforests. It restores water cycles first. When canopy returns, evapotranspiration increases. Cloud formation stabilizes rainfall patterns. Local cooling follows. Carbon absorption accelerates automatically. Tropical systems can absorb several times more carbon per hectare than temperate forests when designed correctly. But speed creates risk. Poor planning leads to invasive species, monocultures, and ecosystem fragility. That is why tropical restoration must be biologically diverse. Diversity is not optional. It is structural insurance. Food production must be embedded into restoration. Fruit trees, nut trees, nitrogen-fixing legumes. This creates economic stability for local populations. When people benefit directly, forests remain standing. This is not conservation. It is regeneration with incentives. Tropical restoration is not the entire solution, but without it, no global solution succeeds. This is where Earth heals fastest or fails first.